Understanding the type code for the PowerMax 2M motors. The M21N. M is the series identifier, enhanced. 2 indicates a frame size of NEMA 23, 2.25 inches across the flat. 1 indicates a single stack. N indicates a mounting scheme of NEMA. S indicates special construction. X indicates receptacle connections. C indicates a winding code of C. L indicates a standard rotor type. S indicates a special shaft configuration. S indicates special shaft modifications. SS indicates a special encoder option. 02 indicates special assignment. FAQ. What is the detent torque of this motor? The tent torque is 9.4 As in Nm. What is the holding torque range? It is 40 to 253 As in. What is the thermal resistance? The thermal resistance is 5.5 Celsius/Watt. What is the motor's rotor inertia? It is 0.00016 kgm 2x10⁻3. How much does this motor weigh? It weighs 1.5 pounds. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all PowerMax 2M motor sales and replacements.